Hello, today is day 5 of my UPSC preparation. So today I have not done many things because I went outside and I visited some temples. So today and coming 1 week I will be very busy in this work. And so today I have read October's current affairs, specifically focused in the science and tech. Uh, so, so what I have learned is the um, the first in the science and tech. I will just tell the titles. So, the first the first one is the Nobel Prize, which was received in biology. It was regarding the T cells regulatory. So what it means is, by using T cells, we can we can uh, we can bring out a solution to cancer, and uh, we can also deal with autoimmune systems. That means the immunity itself destroys its own cells. We can stop it through regulatory T cells. So that's what scientists have discovered. So scientists have recently discovered this, how to regulate these T cells. These regulatory T cells are already present in our body, but it is our discovery that scientists have learned how they are produced. They are produced in a gene. uh, that gene has some name, FOE3 something is there. So from there, it is these regulatory T cells are produced, and they are trained in the thymus gland of our human body. So after they train, they go circulate into the body, and they perform all the functions. So that was the first thing. The second thing was the Nobel Prize in physics. In the physics thing, they have learnt about this quantum technology, but they have discovered first time they have discovered the quantum technology, the quantum world. Something, one phenomena which is running only in the quantum world is running in the macroscopic world also. That is the Josephson model, in which there was an superconducting material on the both sides. In between there was an insulator, but the superconducting material passed the electricity even though there was an insulator. So this is considered to be an example of quantum world, where in a quantum world, if you throw a ball, the ball will and there is a if you throw a ball and there is a obstacle like a wall, there is there, but the ball will pass through that wall. So that example has been come true through this Josephson model. So that is the second thing. And third thing I have studied is the Nobel Prize in chemistry, where they used metallic ions and this carbon ions, and they fused both of those things, and they found that there is some some gap which has been formed by fusing these both metallic compound and these carbon atoms. So the main benefits we can be having with this technology is that by combining these two, metal and carbon thing, is that the first thing is that we can trap the pollution which is in the atmosphere, and we can also store some rare earth minerals in that material. So it can be used in multiple fields. So these are the three Nobel prizes this year which were given. And I have also learned about this astrosat satellite. Astrosat satellite uh, is placed in the low earth orbit. It the reason it is in news because 10 years have been completed for this astrosat satellite in its orbit, and it is still functioning. It is a purely indigenous Indian technology. So that is why it is important. So astrosat satellite, what it does, it collects various types of light, not only visible light but also the X-ray and also the infrared light from the distant stars, and it analyzes the data. So it is space observatory satellite. So that's what I have read about October science and technology. Let's see what happens tomorrow. And by the way, I haven't watched any lecture, and I haven't done any, what you say, I haven't read newspaper also. So that is the drawback today. And I will try to complete both things simultaneously in the coming days. Let's see what happens.